Hello guys, welcome back, and let's do this word problem. I'm going to be doing some examples, you're going to follow along, and I hope because of the examples you'll understand. Remember to write your name, write the date instead of drawing I just drew because why not? If you actually do want to know what the date is, it's May 11th, 2021. Okay, let's start. So we're going to do some fact families. So we're going to do number 5. It says that 9 minus 5 is 4, and 4 plus 5 is 9. Therefore, 5 plus something equals 9. So let's do, okay. So what's unique about addition is that it's commutative. For example, let's do 3 plus 1 is 4, right? So, but also, the order does not matter for addition, and that's what's pretty unique about it. So also 1 plus 3 is 4. But if we do 3 minus 1, that's 2. But 1 minus 3 is not 2. Yeah. So this is commutative. And it's good for, and it works with addition and multiplication. But it does not work on subtraction nor division. So, with that in mind, we can say since 9 minus 5 is 4, that means 4 plus 5 is 9. What this basically is to say a number plus a number is a sum, or for addition, for example. And if you want to find one of these numbers, you get the sum and you subtract it by a number to get the other number. For example, let's do the 3 plus 1 example. So if it says 4 minus 1 equals 3, and then 3 plus 1 equals, okay, actually scratch that. Because, okay, so pretend you didn't hear anything. Okay, back to this. So let's say we get two numbers, 1 and 3. If you add them together, you get the sum, which is 4. And if you want to find one of these numbers, you have to get the sum, and then you subtract any of these numbers. So let's say we're looking for one of them. Let's say we're looking for 3. So we use this one, the other number. So 4 minus 1 is 3. And also 4 minus 3 is 1. That's how it works. So because 9 minus 5 is 4, and 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 4 is also equal to 9. This works because addition is commutative, but also if you want to look for the other number, you get the sum, subtract by the number we already know, 5, and that's going to equal 4, which works. All right, we're going to do multiplication now. So 3 times 4. Let's draw 3 groups. Let's put 4 in. And then if we count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So therefore the answer is 12. Or if we do 4 plus 4 plus 4, that's going to equal 8 plus 4, which equals 12. If you're doing this on the multiplication table, first search for 3 on either rows. Let's work with horizontal first, so let's say 3. And then 4 on the vertical. Let's say if that's 4. And then cross up those rows, and then the answer should be where they intersect, which will be 12. So this is the times table. And therefore, 3 times 4 is 12. Okay. Addition. A little review. Let's do number 16. So it says 30 plus 200 is what? Because they're commutative, we could switch their order around. I recommend to put the bigger number, the bigger number, I guess, the one with the more digits on the top, and then the second on the bottom, because it makes it easier to read. So 0 plus 0, we're going to work from right to left, like we're reading backwards. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 3 is 3, and 2 plus blank, which is 0, is 2. Therefore, the answer is 230. Okay, we're going to do a word problem. So, Johnny shares his candy evenly with his 16 friends at school. He has a total piece of 32 candy. If he gives out all of his candy evenly to his friends, how many does each friend get? So, we know that the word evenly means there's no remainder. So that means also the word share usually means dividing. And he's dividing this evenly with 16 friends. So we know one of the numbers is going to be 16. And he has a total of 32 candy. So if he gives out all of them, which means we have to use this number evenly, the remainder, to all his friends. How many does each friend get? So what we're basically getting is we're basically giving all of 32 candies to 16 friends. I don't want to draw 16 people, so I'll just draw 4 dots. So that's what they're basically doing. And that is going to equal this. So we're going to put the number that we're going to give out on the bottom, which will be 32. And the number on the right will be, number on the left, I meant, will be what he's giving, or like who's he giving it to. So that's 16 friends. The answer has to have no remainder since it's going to be even, and he's going to give out all his candy. So that also shows there's no remainder. Okay, so we're going to work on this now. Since there's 2 digits on the left, that means we're going to put our number here on the second digit. So how many times can 16 go into 32? Well, we do know that 8 times 4 is 32. And there's and 8 plus 8 is 16. And because 8 plus 8 is 16, that's going to get rid of the 4, and that's going to turn that into 2. Or what you could just do is just guess and check. So 16 plus 16 is 32, which works. And if we subtract that, the answer is going to be 0. If the remainder is 0, it worked. So each of his friends is going to have 2 candies. Remember to write down the units, box your answers, especially if you show the work. And yeah, that's it. Hope this was helpful, and have a great day. Bye.